All right, this is an example of a spooky story using our orchestra sound effects that we've been learning, our spooky sound effects. So I'm going to read my poem and add in some of the sound effects, and this is what my orchestra students are working on. So my poem is called Halloween Night When the Witches Run. There was an old witch, believe it if you can. She tapped on the windows and she ran. She ran helter-skelter with her toes in the air, corn stalks flying from the old witch's hair. Swish goes the broomstick, meow goes the cat, plop goes the hop toad, sitting on her hat. Wee, chuckled I, what fun, Halloween night when the witches run. Rattle go the skeletons, running down the lane, and a spooky tree taps the window pane. Wee, chuckled I, what fun, Halloween night when the witches run. Jangle of the rusty chains, the monster drags along, and bats go screech for their Halloween song. Wee, chuckled I, what fun, Halloween night when the witches run.